Meanwhile, former State Minister in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Arnaldo has come out swinging, blasting Finance Minister Audley for his $8.3 million phone bill over a one-year period. While in office, Mr. Brown was blasted by the then Jamaica Labour Party opposition for his phone bill, which was over $1 million for 1 year.
They say when you dig hole, you must dig two, because you're going to drop in on one of them. I don't see Audley dropping on one big hole down the
Arnaldo Brown at a PMP conference on Saturday in central Manchester, adding his voice to the debate on the finance minister's big cell phone bill. A passionate outcry because, as he recalls, he was chastised for his high phone bill in 2012. He still insists, however, that his bill was entirely government-related matters, unlike he claims was the case for Mr. Shaw. He has also criticized the explanation Mr. Shaw presented.
When them come to explain, them say it's roaming and data charges. The same thing me did say back then, you know. But them never listened to that. They were prepared to crucify me. And I see every time this thing come up, them calling Arnaldo Brown name. But guess what? There is a new man in charge of phone calls now. Him name Audley.
And while he did not mince words about Mr. Shaw's, that bill was not his only source of contention.
And because of the excitement, nobody's talking about the Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance and Planning, because her bill is approximately $1 million as well. So between Audley and Flavor Williams, you're talking about almost $10 million in phone call.
By his and other PMP representatives' assessment, the current JLP administration has failed in all the areas they criticized the former PNP government. For them, crime headed the list of failures that have been magnified because of promises and criticisms leveled at the PMP while the JLP was in opposition.
And the truth of the matter is, mouth make we talk anything, but when the time come, when the test come, you know who the real deal is, and the real deal is the People's National Party.
Herman Green, TVJ News.